All right, I'll try the sardines. Sardines have been going crazy. They have exploded on TikTok and everybody's eating them, but for good reason. So I'm not usually a trend follower, but I felt like it would be remiss of me not to showcase sardines and try them out. They have so many amazing health benefits, and specifically for my cause, I make videos every week that showcase different foods that are great for your hair health, and sardines happen to be very good for your hair health. They have vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron. Omega-3s are just good for your overall health. And we're trying to control our blood sugar so that we don't have any PCOS related hair loss. And we're also trying to get our iron up if we have iron deficiencies or B12 deficiencies or vitamin D deficiencies, which actually happen to be very common in the Black community. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into these sardines. Fresh food, fresh hair. It's Friday. So let me tell you everything that I have with them. I love a pickled moment. So I have some pickled beets, and I pickled these myself with peanut butter and jelly. These are one of my favorite things to have on the side of a meal. I love to have pickled beets, and they also have amazing health benefits. They're really good for your blood circulation. I also have some carbs because you cannot have the fish without the carbs. So I have me some rice and then 2 pieces of French bread. Now I usually try to keep it down, do low carb options, but I felt like I had to have some bread and some rice with the two types of sardines that I got. I also have a little bit of vinegar because I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar on my rice. I'm a vinegar girl. I don't know what it is, but maybe it has something to do with me growing up in Florida. We eat pickle everything. So I like to do the vinegar and a little bit of Splenda on my rice, kind of like sushi rice, but I don't know what to call it. But I like to put vinegar on my rice specifically when I'm having it with fish. So good. Anyway, and then I also have me that good old DC Diet Coke. So the 2 different types of sardines I have one in tomato sauce, and I figured this one would be really good on top of the rice. And then I have this one, and it's also lower calorie. So I want to watch my calories. So I will probably, if I do end up liking the sardines, I'm going to probably go with the one in tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is always a good option if you're trying to be in a calorie deficit, because generally tomato sauces don't have very many calories unless you're doing something like ketchup that is sweetened, but you can also get sugar-free ketchup. Anyway, and then this is spiced sardines and olive oil. So the ingredients are sardines, olive oil, cucumber, chili, carrot, salt, cloves, black pepper, and laurel, which is bay leaves. Those are gonna go on my 2 little pieces of French bread. All right, so let's open it up. If I can do, if I can do this without getting anything on my clothes, that would be, they should make this a little bit easier. This kind of reminds me of like 10 mackerel, the mackerel in the can, but that one has, it's a lot of Jamaican people eat it. I don't know who else eats it, but I know Jamaicans eat it. And with some fried dumplings, so good. But I don't need to be eating no dumplings because I don't want to look like a dumpling. Oh my goodness. I'm scared to pull it all the way out because I feel like it's just gonna, I'm not pulling it all the way out. The tomato sauce is bomb. I love a tomato sauce. Like anything that's like acidic, I'm in. Okay, so this is what we looking like. I can't tip it over. Let's see. Do not do that to me right now. Hold on, I'm gonna need a wipe. I feel like Monk. He's like, wipe, wipe, wipe. I don't know why I'm so excited. Okay, so hopefully it doesn't have the bones like 10 mackerel does, because you gotta take those out and then your hands get all messy in the tomato sauce. but it's so worth it for the 10 macro. I remember the first time I had it, I was coming out of my body. And this whole can is only, I think like 145 calories, something like that. So typical for a serving of protein, but it has like so many health benefits. And it does have, see, I mean, what can I expect? The bones are really soft, but I am not a thug like that. I cannot eat these bones. So I'm gonna put them on the side on my little wipe. Now I'm gonna have to get me another wipe. Are people just swallowing these? Oh wait, I forgot my vinegar. I'm gonna do a little bit of vinegar in the rice. Ooh. This is very mukbang style. What's up, y'all? I just finished recording this hairstyle, but I think I'm gonna post them in reverse. I'm gonna post the hairstyle first and then this. But yeah, I finished recording this hairstyle and then now I'm recording my Fresh Food Friday, feeling real productive. Let's try it. I have a feeling I know what it's gonna taste like. I feel like it's just gonna taste like 10 mackerel with tomato sauce, but whatever. Okay. It tastes exactly like what you expect it to taste like. It tastes like fish. Fish and tomato sauce, which is great because I will say it does taste quite fishy. So if you don't like that like ocean fishy taste of like tuna, then you wouldn't like it. But so much easier to eat than liver. Last week we did liver and that's a hard eat. That's even a hard ask for me to ask you to eat liver, but liver has so many great benefits. All right, let's get into the other one. All right, so now we're gonna do the spiced ones. And I don't usually buy fish in oil. I feel like it's just like why? But this is olive oil, so olive oil has a nice flavor. If it's canola oil, like why are we doing that? Why are we just adding 150 calories to the tuna? Like, no thank you. And it's not pleasant. Maybe you're mixing it with something else, but I just don't buy the fish in oil. Okay, all right, let's put this on our little piece of French bread. Love crusty bread, by the way. I could eat anything on this, so I know it's gonna be good. Oh, I forgot about my little beets over here. These beets, just boil them, put a little bit of, ooh, that's nice and spicy. I just got a taste of it. Boil your beets until they're fork tender. Leave some of that water in there. Add vinegar, and I use Splenda, but you can use sugar, and then salt. So good. Make your own pickled beets. I didn't boil mine long enough this time, but that's okay. They're still nice. So other than sardines being good for your hair health, they're also good for your heart health, good for your mental clarity. Eating healthy is going to give you the mental clarity that you desire. Them bones be throwing me off. Yeah, so if you have like brain fog all the time, just start eating a little bit healthier, specifically high protein, and just follow this meal plan that I give every Friday. Go back to my Fresh Food Fridays. Now they are full length videos, and just start eating like this, eating whole foods, prioritizing nutrients and protein and fiber. And I promise you, you're gonna feel like a whole new person. And your hair you're gonna be Rapunzel too. So, all right, let's try this. So this is what it looks like. I showed you already. Okay. I think this one's gonna be really good with the oil after I just talked all of that crap about oil. But okay, the flavor on this one, much better. Because it has some spice to it. Now, if you want it, you could just do your own spices and stuff and not buy this one because, like, I don't want the oil. So you could just take the one in tomato sauce and add your own peppers and seasonings and stuff. But this one just out of the can, if I'm buying one, like, and I don't have time to go home or I'm just eating it on the go, this is the one I'm buying because it tastes more like a complete item. It's flavorful. You can eat it just on bread and it's good. I hope this will encourage you to eat a healthier diet, and I hope you'll meet me back here next Friday for some more fresh ideas. All right?